Namaste friends, welcome back. In our last video, we talked about how our breathing is a powerful tool for calming our mind. We saw how the simple act of breathing deeply can be a key to inner peace. Today, I want to take that one step deeper and reveal a beautiful ancient secret. We are going to talk about Pranayama and how it is much more than just a breathing exercise. Most people think of Prana as just the air we breathe, but in yoga, Prana is our life force. It is the energy that keeps us alive. It is what makes our heart beat and our mind think. Prana is everywhere. It is in the food we eat, the water we drink, and yes, the air we breathe. When our prana is strong and flowing freely, we feel vibrant, healthy, and full of life. But when it is low or blocked, we feel tired, sluggish, or maybe a little disconnected. And this energy, this prana, doesn't just flow randomly through your body. The yogis discovered that it moves through thousands of channels or rivers of energy called Nadis. Don't confuse these Nadis with the blood vessels. Nadis exist in subtle body, not in the physical body. They are not found on the anatomical level, but rather in the energetic or pranic plane. Now consider your body like a beautiful garden or a plant nursery. And prana is the water that flourishes the plants. The nadis, they are like irrigation pipes that carry that water to every single plant. When the flow is strong and clear, every plant in the garden thrives, right? The flowers bloom, the leaves are vibrant, the whole garden looks healthy. But what happens when some of those pipes get jammed? The water can't reach certain plants. They start becoming dull. That's a bit like what happens in our body when our energy gets blocked. Pranayama is the practice of clearing those pipes. It is like turning up the water pressure and flushing out all the old stale energy so that the fresh, life-giving prana can flow freely again. Now, amongst all these thousands of channels, there are two major ones, and those are incredibly important for overall health and balance. They are called Ida and Pingala. Ida is the channel on our left side. It is connected to our mood energy. It is cool, calming, and introspective. When this side is active, you feel relaxed, you think creatively, and you are ready for the rest. On the other side, Pingala is the channel on your right side. It is connected to your sun energy. It is warm, active, and stimulating. When this side is active, you feel energized, focused, and ready to get things done. The ancient yogi believed that when these two energies, sun and moon, Ida and Pingala, are out of balance, that's when we start to feel stressed, anxious, or mentally tired. For example, if our sun channel, that is Pingala, is too active, we feel restless and can't sleep. We are always in go mode. If our moon channel, Ida Nadi, is underactive, we might feel mentally dull, unmotivated, or disconnected from our inner peace. This is where the second part of the word, ayam, comes in. Ayam means to extend or to expand. So pranayama means to expand your life force by consciously working with our breathing to balance these two energies. It is how we make sure our inner sun and moon energy are in harmony. Now that we understand the wisdom behind pranayama, we have the key to unlock its power. And we have the perfect practice to begin our journey. In our next video, we'll dive into a specific technique called Nadi Shodhana Kriya or alternate nostril breathing. This one practice is specifically designed to balance the Ida and Pingala channels, clearing our mental fog and acting as a perfect reset button for an anxious or overactive mind. We are trying our best to give you the summarized description of the yogic wisdom. So transform your life by connecting with us. We believe that when you understand the why, the how becomes a habit. And that's why we share the science behind the practice. So subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with all the people you know. You never know, by sharing you might unknowingly help someone. Thank you. Namaste. See you in the next video.